and welcome back to Fluent Vibes English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to practice English together.
It is always a beautiful day when we are here with our friends. How are you doing today, Ollie?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I am feeling very modern today.
Modern. That is an interesting word. Why are you feeling modern?
Well, look at my wrist. Do you see this?
Ooh, is that a new watch? It looks very fancy. It has a screen.
Yes, it is a smartwatch. It connects to my phone. It tells me the time, but it does so much more.
Wow, technology is amazing, and that is actually our topic for today.
Yes, today we are talking about modern technology and how it helps our daily life.
I love this topic. We use technology every single day. It is everywhere.
It really is. But Sarah, before we start talking about our cool gadgets, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying our podcast, please click the subscribe button for Fluent Vibes English Podcast, and please give us a like. It helps us find more friends who want to learn English.
And share this episode with your family or friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, Ollie, so technology, yes, it changes very fast. Sometimes it is hard to follow.
It is, but it makes life easier. Think about communication.
Oh, yes, that is the biggest change. Do you remember writing letters with a pen and paper?
Yes, I remember. I wrote letters to my grandmother. It took 1 week for the letter to arrive.
1 week? That is a long time. Now we have smartphones.
Exactly. Now I can send a text message and ping, she gets it in 1 second.
1 second. It is magic.
And it's not just text. We can see people. Video calls.
I love video calls.
Me too. My brother lives in a different city. He is very far away.
Does he?
Yes, but we talk on video every Sunday. I can see his face. I can see his new dog. It feels like we're in the same room.
That is so important. It brings families together.
It does. It makes the world feel small. And we can send photos too, instantly.
Yes. Look at my lunch. Look at my cat. We share our lives. It is very special. So communication is number one. It is much better now. What else do you use, Sarah?
I use technology for directions.
Directions? You mean maps?
Yes, Ali. I have a secret.
What is your secret?
I am very bad with directions. I get lost all the time.
Really? Even in your own city?
Yes, even in my own neighborhood. If I turn left instead of right, oh no, I am lost.
Sarah, that is funny.
It is funny now, but before smartphones, it was scary. I had big paper maps in my car.
Oh, I remember those. They were huge and very hard to fold back together.
Yes, impossible to fold. But now I have a map on my phone.
The GPS.
Yes, a nice voice tells me where to go. Turn left in 100 meters. You have arrived at your destination.
Yes, that is my favorite sentence. You have arrived. It saves a lot of stress.
So much stress. I am never lost now. Well, almost never. Technology helps, but we still need to pay attention.
True. What about you, Ollie? What is another way technology helps you?
I think shopping. Online shopping. Yes, I'm a little lazy sometimes.
We are all a little lazy sometimes.
I do not like big supermarkets. They are crowded. There are too many people.
I understand. It can be loud and busy.
So sometimes I buy my groceries on an app.
On an app? On your phone?
Yes, I choose the milk, the bread, the eggs, and the apples. And then
a kind person brings it to my door.
to your house?
Yes.
I don't carry heavy bags. I don't stand in line. It is wonderful.
That is very convenient. It saves a lot of time.
It saves a lot of time. I can use that time to read or relax or learn English.
That is a great way to use your time. And it's good for gifts, too.
Oh, how?
If my friend has a birthday but he lives far away, I can buy a gift online and send it to his house.
That is true. You don't need to go to the post office.
Exactly. Technology connects us and it helps us give things to people we love.
That is a nice way to think about it. But Sarah, what about inside the house?
Inside the house? Like the kitchen? Yes, or the living room? Do you have any smart things in your home?
Let me think. I have a robot.
A robot? Like in the movies?
No, not like the movies. It is a small, round robot. It cleans the floor.
Ah, a robot vacuum cleaner.
Yes, his name is Dusty.
You gave him a name? Dusty. That is perfect.
Yes, Dusty is my best friend. He cleans the carpets while I'm at work.
That is amazing. You come home and the house is clean.
Yes, well, sometimes he gets stuck under the sofa. Poor Dusty. I have to rescue him. Come here, Dusty. But usually he is very good. It elevates my life because I hate cleaning floors.
See? That's a perfect example. Technology does the boring work for us.
Yes, so we can do the fun things. I have something small in my house. I have smart lights.
Smart lights? What do they do?
I can talk to them.
You talk to your lights, Ollie? Are you okay?
No, really. I say, turn on the lights, and they turn on.
Wow, just with your voice?
Yes, or I say, dim the lights, and they become soft and dark for watching a movie.
That is very cool. It's like a magic trick.
It feels like magic. I don't need to stand up to find the switch.
You really are lazy.
I call it efficient.
Efficient. Okay, I like that word. But we must talk about health.
Health? How does technology help our health?
Remember my new watch?
Yes, the smartwatch.
It counts my steps.
Steps? Like walking?
Yes, it tells me how much I walk every day.
Ah, that is good. How many steps do you walk?
My goal is 10,000 steps.
10,000. That is a lot of steps.
It is, but the watch helps me. If I sit on the sofa for a long time, the watch vibrates. It buzzes you.
Yes, it says, Ali, stand up, move. It's like a strict teacher on your wrist.
It is, but it's good for me. It reminds me to be active.
That is very helpful. Sometimes we forget to move when we are working or watching TV.
Exactly. And there are apps for water, too.
For water. Yes, to remind you to drink water.
Drink water. Wow. So technology keeps us healthy and hydrated.
And calm.
Calm?
Yes. I use an app for sleep.
Oh, I have trouble with sleep sometimes.
Me too. This app plays nice sounds like rain or the ocean. Whoosh.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I listen to the sound of rain and I fall asleep very fast.
That is much better than looking at a bright screen before bed.
Yes, that is a bad habit. We should use technology to help us sleep, not stop us from sleeping.
That is a very good point, Ali. Technology is a tool. We must use it well.
Yes, we control the technology. The robot does not control us.
I hope Dusty does not control me.
I think you are safe. You know, Ali, there is one more very important way technology improves our lives.
What is it?
Learning.
Learning. Yes, like right now.
Exactly. Our listeners are using technology to learn English. It is amazing. Years ago, to learn English, you needed a big, heavy book, and you had to go to a classroom at a specific time.
But now you can listen to a podcast on the bus, or in the car, or while walking the dog.
Or while your robot cleans the floor. Yes, you can learn anytime, anywhere. And if you don't know a word, what do?
You check your phone. The dictionary is in your pocket.
It is so fast. You can translate words instantly. It makes learning languages much more accessible for everyone.
Accessible. That is a great word. It means everyone can use it.
Yes, I use apps to learn cooking too.
Cooking? You use technology in the kitchen?
Yes, I watch videos, how to make a cake. I watch and I copy.
And does the cake taste good?
Usually. Sometimes I burn it, but that is not the phone's fault. That is my fault. Technology cannot fix everything, Sarah.
No, not yet. Maybe in the future the robot will cook the cake.
Oh, I would like that.
Me too. So, Ali, we have talked about so many things. We have communication, maps, shopping, smart homes, health, and learning. Technology really does elevate our daily life.
Elevate means to lift up, to make better. Yes, it makes life smoother. But
do you sometimes turn it off?
that is a good question. Because sometimes it is nice to be quiet. No phones, no beeps, no buzz.
I agree. On Sunday afternoons, I like to put my phone away. Just read a real book.
Yes, or walk in a park without counting steps. Just walking for fun.
That is nice. Balance. We need balance.
Exactly. Use technology to help you, but don't forget the real world. The trees, the birds, the friends, the coffee.
The coffee. Yes, a machine makes the coffee, but we drink it.
Very true. Well, Sarah, talking about technology makes me want to go use my smartwatch.
Are you going to walk 10,000 steps?
Maybe 5,000. Let's start small.
Good idea. Start small. This was a great conversation, Ali. I feel energized.
Me too. I'm happy we could chat about this. It's important to know the English words for these things.
Yes, words like app, download, search, connect, we use them in English all the time.
We do, and now our listeners can use them too. We hope you enjoyed this chat about modern technology.
We really hope so. And now we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you in the comments below. Please answer this question. What is your favorite piece of technology? Oh, good question. Is it your phone, your computer, or maybe your robot vacuum?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers in English. It's great practice for writing. Don't be shy.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Fluent Vibes English Podcast and click the like button if you learned something new today.
And share this podcast with a friend who is learning English. Maybe send it to them on your smartphone.
Yes, use technology to share English. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Thank you. Have a wonderful modern day.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.